Thursday afternoon, just passing Kelbaker Road. Looks like heading into some thunderstorms. Been waiting a long time for this trip. Heading out to Flagstaff right now, meet up with the Patriot 1776, and then we're gonna head up into Colorado tomorrow. Meet up with Trailhawk and his Gladiator. Should be an epic time. Looking to try. We'll see if we make it. Black Bear Pass, Imogene Pass, and Engineer Pass. We'll see how many of these passes we're able to do. Looks like every day there's going to be afternoon thunderstorms, which should make it a little bit more challenging. And they've had lots and lots of flooding, flash flooding out here between Arizona and Colorado. Just makes for more of an adventure. See you guys a little bit later. Coming down into the Needles Valley, got a rainbow off there in the distance. I don't know if you can see that. Looks like we might get a little rain. I just got an emergency alert. Reference flash floods. Got a pretty good lightning storm out there. See if we can catch one on video. Oh, there was one, but I think it was caught behind the truck. There. Hopefully you got that one. Moabi Road, almost to the Colorado River. Lightning activity seems to be getting a little more aggressive. There we go. Crossing into Arizona would take me several more hours to meet up with Patriot 1776 in Flagstaff, Arizona. So I'll catch up with you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Made it up to Flagstaff last night. Able to connect with 1776 Patriot. Got this beautiful dispersed campsite. The southeast side of Flagstaff. Today our goal is to head to Colorado. So we got about 6 hours. Gonna head up to hopefully Silverton for lunch and meet up with the Trailhawk. Should be a great day.
Any particular place in town that you wanted to stop?
Gas station and then Starbucks or McDonald's. Oh, it's a beautiful camp spot. I think we're in the Coconino National Forest. Little boondocking spot. Next to Lake Mary. After filling up our gas tanks and getting some coffee, we're back on the road. And though the day started off sunny, that changed pretty quickly. Found our next thunderstorm. Well, that thunderstorm was quick. Got back out to sunshine. So hopefully that cleaned off a little bit of the mud and we should be good to go. Wow, that's so beautiful, man.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
So this is a Cameron, not part of the Navajo Nation out here. Kind of interesting. Very nice roads. Houses don't look so nice. Looks like we're getting ready to cross over the river. Not sure if this is the Colorado. Little Colorado River. That's pretty awesome. Pretty muddy down there. They have had some serious rain through here.
Yeah, you can tell.
So cool out here. Monument Valley. Always wanted to go explore this. Have to hit this on another trip. Driving through the Navajo Nation right now. Passing Monument Valley, headed to Four Corners. Navajo Nation is 17 million acres, 27,000 square miles, takes up portions of Arizona, Utah, Colorado, and New Mexico. Just incredible out here. The rock formations, beautiful. Certainly have to come back here and do more exploring.
Everybody else don't mind our weaving, we're just taking pictures.
I just can't get over how beautiful it is out here. And I'm expecting to come across Lightning McQueen anytime. Pretty sure I did see Toe Mater though. That is an incredible sight. Baby rocks. Okay, we just crossed into New Mexico.
Welcome to New Mexico.
Four Corners Monument here. As we had to meet up with the Trailhawk in Colorado, we didn't have time to stop and visit the monument. But as you can see, they had a whole lot of construction going on in the midst of it.
So we're in New Mexico for about, what, maybe a quarter mile? Then we're in Colorado?
I think so. I think the other side of that river is Colorado. There it is. Welcome to Colorado. I wonder if this is road work or flood damage.
Welcome to Colorado.
I would say by the way the sand is on the side and stuff, that it was probably road damage, flooding.
San Juan River. I think you're right. As we made our way into Colorado, we started gaining elevation, and the daily thunderstorms started building. What a beautiful valley. We're coming down into Durango. Just can't get over how beautiful it is. So we passed through Durango pretty quickly, as it was late in the afternoon, and our goal was Ouray, and we still had a ways to go. We're back into the rain, hoping this clears up before we make camp. It's 4 o'clock now, leaving Durango, heading to Silverton, and then to the trailhead for Black Bear Pass. Views up here are just incredible. Coming up to Cold Bank Pass. It's between Durango and Silverton. So this might so far be the highest point I've taken the truck. I'm pulling off here at the viewpoint.
Copy.
10,000. There we go. 10,640. Cancel that, there's nothing to see here.
I think a little walk in there was.
Wow.
See the waterfall?
No, I can't look. I'm going to go off the road. It's the last pass. So we're at 10,889 feet. Molasse Pass, summit 10,910, the highest the Tacoma has been. We're in the San Juan National Forest. Just beautiful out here. Heading down there to Silverton. Just incredible down here. Wow. Don't do it, Keith! You got too much to live for!
It just begs to answer, okay, let's put a guardrail, but let's stop right there at that cliff.
Right, and this guardrail doesn't look very secure either.
Thanks for noting that, but it look like they're made out of 4x4s.
Look at all the hits it's taken.
I don't want to look.
Of Silverton down below. Drive through downtown Silverton here. This is a cool little town. Look at that hotel. Wow. Grand Imperial Hotel. Courthouse there. County Courthouse. Very cool. So we're on the road from Silverton to Ouray, and what is most notably called the $1 Million Highway. Beautiful up here. We're going to be camping off to the, I guess that's going to be the northwest, or the left of the roadway. Somewhere. And hopefully Weston will find us tonight with the trail hawk. And we're going to try to do Black Bear Pass in the morning. We'll see. This looks epic. We can find a spot back here. See, the rains have created quite a river here. Gotta find a place big. Oh, there's a house here. Wow. This is perfect. So we decided to set up camp at the abandoned remains of the Robinson Mine, which was originally founded in 1882 by John Robinson. Good evening. We made it to camp. This incredible mining area. Just waiting for the trail hawk to come up here. Got this little this shelter here. We're gonna set up the kitchen in. We got Keith cooking. Let's see what he's got. What are you cooking up?
So I recently watched Marco from OVRLNDX, and I binge watched all of his food recipes, and I fell in love with his Philly cheesesteak sandwiches.
Nice.
So that's what we're gonna have today.
Awesome. We got some nice meat there. Oh yeah. Wow. This looks awesome. And can you beat the view for dinner?
Not really.
We went easy with this first cocktail, courtesy of Nuno's barrel-aged cocktails. Botanist Gin Negroni. All right, Keith, give it a taste.
Mm. That's very nice.
Nice.
That's very nice.
Those onions are smelling good. Trailhawk made it. Right in time for dinner. Smells fantastic.
Don't take a picture of it till the pepper on it.
Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. Trailhawk setting up their Taj Mahal there. Makes that gladiator look pretty small.
That looks delicious.
Josh, wait.
Oh, sorry.
I'll do a hold on part. And then just add the peppers that you wish on there.
All right.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Keith,
Yeah?
you outdid yourself.
Well, you're just saying.
No, I'm not. Wow. Gentlemen, we finally made it.
Oh, we did Colorado.
Colorado? Where are we at?
Colorado.
Just outside of Uray.
Uray, and heading to Blackboard Pass hopefully tomorrow. Cheers.
Cheers to staying on the road.
Yes. Cheers, Josh.
Thank you. Should I cheers with my flashlight?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm barely getting by. Got a heavy load that's trying to break my mind. Can you tell?
So this is going to bring an end to the first part of this trip. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can check out the next episode where we do Black Bear Pass, head into Telluride, and then over to Imogene Pass.